Hey guys, Miso here. Come on into my kitchen today. You're some of my favorite people. Want to welcome you in. Today, I am going to be making something, of course, quick, simple, and delicious. Don't want to show you anything too hard. I don't like hard, I like easy. I like to be eaten, not waiting. Okay, so I want to show you something quick, simple, and delicious. You're going to be able to make it too for your family, and you're going to do it good. Your family going to be calling you a kitchen rock star, baby. Come on, let's get started. Let's take a look at this lamb that I have here. So it looks like I paid about $45.41 for this meat. I tell you, the cost of meat has really gone up. All right, look. These are pretty nice though, so I am just going to use this knife that is not sharp enough, but I'm going to use this knife to separate my chops. So they have very fine bones. I'm just trying to get through the bones. You could tell from this back here, you see this fat cap. And when I cook them, I'm going to cook fat side down. And I'm going to cook those really well on that side because I want to get rid of as much of that fat as will render off when I cook it. Because we ain't eating fat, we're eating lamb chops, baby. All right, I have them spread out here. Don't they look nice? This is such a beautiful cuts of meat. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to put a whole lot on here because I don't want to cover that taste of meat. I want to really taste them. So I'm putting on a little bit of salt. I am putting some complete seasoning on them now, and I'm not going to put a whole lot of anything on them. I'm putting on some oregano. Now, oregano to me is really important on my lamb. I like it. And I'm putting on some garlic powder. Looky, looky. Now, you know what? This lamb, they are just like algebraic math problems, you know. Whatever you do to one side, you got to do it to the other side. So now my meat is not seasoned on the other side, so I got to season it just like I did on the front. I'm going to use the same characters on the back side. I'm going to sprinkle it the same way. Here I have some ginger and some lemon, and those two things are very important to me also when I cook lamb. So I'm just slicing up my ginger. Looks like that's about enough. And I'm getting my chops right down into this sizzling hot pan. Now, I don't know, for you people who like your lamb to be rare or medium rare, you might as well stop looking right here because that's not how we eat ours. I cannot tolerate my lamb if it's not well done. So I'm putting down the side with the fat on it. And I'm going to just let those render that fat off, kind of fry that way. And I'm going to go ahead and let them fry for just a little while. This won't take long. This is a very quick dish. These don't have to cook, probably just a few minutes on each side. Now right now I'm getting the back of them where the fat is. And then I'm going to turn them. I'm begin to turn them. And in just a few minutes we'll have some really tasty lamb chops. Looky, looky. Smells so good. So I am getting in my ginger, and I'm also putting some lemon juice, a lot of lemon juice on these lamb chops because the lemon really helps the flavor to me. I love it. So you try it this way. So I'm just turning them over, just get them done on all sides. Some of them are just about ready to come out. I'm just going to sit them up here on the side of the pan, and then I am going to get them out and put them on a plate. Then we're going to get to the fun part, and that's going to be the eating, honey. Looky, looky. Oh, God. All right, let's get this under the right kind of light. Look at this, y'all. Isn't this a beautiful plate? We got some asparagus here. We got our lamb chops. We have some garlic mashed potatoes, and we have some carrots. All of this is sitting atop this miso making it blanket towel. This is this is some part of the merchandise that I'm going to be having in a couple of weeks, and it's really nice. Can't wait for you to see it. I am excited about the places that we're going to go with the channel. So those things are going to be available in a few weeks. But back to the lamb chops, honey. Would you like to eat these? They look good enough to eat to me. Oh man. Love it, love it, love it. The asparagus have lemon on them and butter, and the chops have lemon and ginger. Oh, what a wonderful combination. Made in heaven. Y'all, I want you to try this. I know a lot of people say they don't like lamb, and I don't like lamb when it's gamey. I have to have mine well done, and I gotta have lots of lemon juice on mine, and I like the addition of the ginger also. So that takes out that gaminess, and when you eat these, you're just tasting good meat, really good meat. And you gotta try it. Just gotta try it. Everybody in your family will like it. And you know what? They'll be calling you that kitchen rock star again, honey. I want to thank y'all for coming by to check on me, to see what I was doing, because you knew I'd be throwing down. And I hope I did not disappoint. Y'all, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give me a big old thumbs up. When you subscribe, hit that notification bell so then you'll know every time I put up a new video. I want you to share my videos wherever you're active on social media, and leave me a comment because I love hearing from you guys. And if you try my recipe, I want to know how it turned out. I want to thank you for watching, and I want to remind you guys, be good to yourself first. Be good to somebody else. Show them some love with your food. Bye-bye.